fall rolling in, I decided it was the perfect time to make some chai concentrate. Ingredients laid out: star anise, cardamom, black peppercorn, allspice, some fresh ginger, some vanilla beans, some cloves, and some cinnamon sticks. Adding those to the pot to kind of toast them a little bit to bring out some more flavors. Stirring the spices a little, again, just to prevent any burning. My spice is all toasted, so now I'm adding in my water, 5 cups for this batch. Now I'm going to add my fresh ginger and my fresh vanilla bean and bring this up to a simmer. I almost forgot my nutmeg. I added in about maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now that this is simmering, we're going to let it go for about 15 minutes. At this point, my house is smelling lovely, smelling just like fall. So after those 15 minutes of simmering time, I put the tea bags in and let it steep off heat for another 15 minutes. And now here I'm just straining it off. And now that we got it strained, I added in my honey and give it a nice stir, good stir, and make sure all that honey gets dissolved. Now it's time to transfer our lovely goodness into a jar so that it can cool down. I let my concentrate rest overnight, and now it's the next morning, and now I'm about to make my coffee. I'm gonna add a little chai concentrate in there, well, a lot. Add in my vanilla almond milk, give it a good stir. Now it's time to see if this is any good or not. Very good. And there you have it, an easy, simple way to make your own chai concentrate at home. Enjoy.